Okay, viewers, welcome back. So, we're on to this sewage pump. Boy, what a mess that was. So, I've got it somewhat cleaned out. Here's the old one, by the way. So, you know what that gets rid of, right? Number one and number two. So, that was kind of disgusting. We are still waiting for our compounder dry, so we can get back to that. So, hopefully this won't take me too long. What I did notice that the configurations don't seem to be identical. I think the spread between these two pipes here is 7 and something on the here, but on the new lid, by the way, here's the old lid. Now it was a metal lid, so it's definitely seen its day. So it's all pitted. It was actually falling into the pit as I was taking it out. Not cool. Let's see, now where did I put that new lid? Oh, here's the new lid. So this is like a composite. So I'm thinking this will be a good thing. It does have a way to bolt it down. I don't see that as an option here because the pit itself is as old as the lid. So I'm not sure how that's going to work out. But we'll try and see if we can do it. I don't want to permanently seal to it because, again, sewage pumps usually require maintenance, so you wouldn't want to make it so next person can't. I did see that some of them have like a foam seal that come with them, so maybe that'll help us out with that idea. So back into kind of configuring this thing and cleaning up, see if we get this new lid on. So we'll be back. Okay, viewers, so we're back. So I've cleaned up the rim of this sewage pump reservoir, and it does seem like there's a a standard for these things because these holes actually lined up with holes that are in this reservoir. Now, some of them are filled up in garbage, but I was able to put some blaster in here. Here we go, penetrating blaster. And I put some impact on that, and it actually screwed in. Don't know if I can get every hole to work, but if I can get, most of them, that would be great. So we're still working on getting things set up. Here's the new pump. Cut this piece of pipe. This stuff's going to have to be redone here, because it's not in perfect alignment with what's new. But just moving forward, so we'll be back. Well, we're back. There's the old lid. And there's the new one. We did have to improvise on the fastening, but like I said, it must be an industry standard about where these bolts are placed, because these did line up. Now there was a few that just had been degraded to a point where they couldn't be reused, so I just did some initiative and did some self-tapping screws into the lid. We had to do some reconfiguration on the plumbing just because they didn't line up where the other ones were, but it is operational, and now we can get back to the actual bathroom project. So thanks for hanging in there with me. If you have any comments or questions, give me a text or no comment on the TikTok or on YouTube. Until then, we're going to be back to taping. We didn't really get to that third coat. I'm debating maybe I'll still do that this evening, but I have to go eat first. So we'll be back, if not tonight, tomorrow. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.